Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris and welcome to LEGO Mini Reviews, the show where I review a ton of different LEGO vintage and new sets right here on the Duckbricks YouTube channel in a short form format. So I have a ton of Bricklink orders to get through as well as just associated LEGO purchases, and I figured instead of making a mega video where I go through every single one that's hours long, why not break it up into separate mini reviews? And so in addition to our normal 3 videos a week schedule, be sure to stay tuned for a mini review dropping every single day where we do not normally have a standard video releasing. I hope you enjoy, and let's jump right into our first pick. So coming up first, we have set number 8680. This is the Technic Flagship Set featuring the Mobile Ice Command Base, which is a really interesting build for Technic. This is back in the era where they were still focusing on studded surfaces, and includes some of the fully posable Technic figures, which were pretty short-lived but very interesting to see. The set did come with the original box, which I did want to actually pick up because this is one of the Technic sets I really had my eye on. I'm trying to collect every single flagship Technic set from previous years, and this is one of the rarest ones, and it's also one of the most unique LEGO builds. Once I've actually opened up the set, which was actually fully sealed, all the parts were in the sealed bags and all the manuals were where they should be, it's really interesting to see that this set actually did originate from the UK. In the Join the LEGO Club here, you can actually see the UK LEGO address, which is very nice to see, as well as the British pounds, only £2.75 for the Bricks and Pieces magazine, which is a pretty interesting subscription service LEGO used to offer back in the day. We also have a LEGO Technic catalog featuring some of the oldest Technic sets, as well as a small advertisement for some of the other LEGO themes for different age ranges, plus a bit of a pamphlet featuring the pneumatic system, which is really integrated throughout this set. We also have finally another technical sets brochure here featuring some of the largest Technic sets, which is really cool to see here, and definitely in the vintage style of LEGO catalog. But with that, we can move on to actually taking a look at the set itself. Again, this is a very unorthodox build for a Technic model. I really do like how different it is compared to many other Technic builds. You can see immediately this is somewhat of a mobile sled or research facility featuring a helicopter inside, as well as different functions for moving, opening the ramps and doors here and there. So the first function here is twisting the gear on the side allows you to raise and open the ramp here, which allows you to actually remove the helicopter, and the helicopter itself can actually spin. You can turn the gear on the side to spin the rotors on the top and the side, which is a pretty basic function, but is nice to see. But obviously the main attraction is actually the pneumatic assemblies inside the main building. So you can see right here on the leg, there is a very tucked away little lever that you can turn, and a pneumatic pump on the side. So moving the lever in one direction allows you to pump air into the hose here to actually raise the platform featuring the minifigure or the helicopter here. You can simply move the lever down to actually move the platform upwards and downwards, which is really nice to see. A very unique function that LEGO doesn't actually do too often today. In fact, we did just get a new pneumatic truck for Technic, but it was a very rare set, and we don't actually often see stuff like this. Unfortunately, that is the only function for this model besides the opening and closing ramp. The pneumatic system is really just used to raise and lower this platform, which is a very simple function, but one that definitely works very well and feels very satisfying as you're moving it. With everything removed, there's a bit of a control panel on the inside, as well as matching colors of skis in red and yellow for the minifigures to use themselves, which is a very fun thing to have. Alright, and with that, we have summed up this mini LEGO review. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and do let me know down in the comments below what do you think of this set. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And if you own it, what have been your experiences with building and playing with the set itself? Also, let me know in the comments if you like this format of mini reviews. I'm trying to put them out on a fairly regular basis, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very soon.